Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm so happy that you are here. Today's video is all about easy date night looks. When I say date night, I also mean / drinks with friends, going out by yourself, having your own personal date night, which I am truly a fan of. But Joe and I go on a lot of dates, and I think that it's just fun to get up, get dressed up, have fun, go out. So I'm a huge fan of date night. The video was also inspired by questions that I received on an Instagram series that I did last year. Basically, I just did seasonal looks and some outfit inspo. And some of the questions that I received were about like date night looks. What should I wear if I want to look casual at dinner? Or on wear heel? Can you give me some suggestions regarding that? And so I thought back then, let me make a video about date night looks. And then time got away from me, as it usually does. But here we are. So this video is long overdue. So if you are someone who is, I don't know, struggles to put looks together for dates, or you're like, what should I wear? What should I wear? And you want to make it just an easy process, this video is for you. I love a good monochromatic look. I feel like it's the easiest thing. I can grab a shirt that matches the pants. It just makes everything so easy. This dress, which is no longer in stock, but I can find something very similar for you guys. I matched this dress with a coat. The colors were so close. They weren't exact, but they were close, right? So it gave it this monochromatic look. And I think it's easy for you because, or it was easy for me because I didn't have to like, I don't know. Sometimes you have on a dress and you put on a coat and it's like that coat just threw the whole thing off. So you gotta not wear the coat, but take it because it's cold. Maybe that is just me. But if you can get something that you can just grab and all the colors come together, it just makes everything so easy. I threw this on with this beautiful like plum color. I threw it on with my gray Monochromatic Hangisi pumps. So obviously don't have plum colored shoes at the moment. I don't have any, but I threw it on with these gray shoes and it looked so good. You couldn't tell me anything when I wore this out. The jacket matched the dress and I got so many compliments and it's just easy. So I'm saying all that to say, if you have an outfit that you can pull together and it's like the same color or different shades of the same color, try that. It makes it just easy and it looks so polished and put together. It's just one of my favorite looks. So another question that I received was about shoes. Someone asked about wearing flats. She said that she was like, you know, part of the tall girl crew, which I'm 5'8". I'm a proud member of the tall girl crew. So I kind of get where she was saying because I felt like this years ago. But she was basically saying that she doesn't really wear heels because she is so tall and she's kind of, heels aren't her thing, and she doesn't want to wear flip-flops or sneakers. So can I give her some suggestions? The first thing that I do want to say is, you know, if you are part of the tall girl crew, whatever that means to you, wear the heels. Like, don't not wear them because you feel, okay, I'm going to be too tall. Wear what makes you happy, and I cannot stress it enough. And I wish that I would have told her that back then. I thought about it afterwards, like, yeah, I kind of went through the same thing. And where it's like you have a 5-inch heel and it's like, oh, I'm going to be so tall. No, wear what makes you happy. So I want to say that first off. But if heels still aren't your thing after hearing me say that, you don't have to wear flats. When I say flats, I mean like flat sandals, ballet flats all the time, sneakers. You can reach for a flat boot, okay? And so I think that, first of all, boots are just, they elevate the outfit. They make any outfit look good, especially over the knee boots. So I'm really a fan of over the knee boots. These are beautiful. They're flat boots from Marc Fisher. They're black suede boots. And the reason why I do love them and why I'm talking about them in this video is because you can wear them with anything, okay? I started with a pair of denim pants and a sweater and just a bag, and it just completely changed the outfit. So again, if you're feeling like, oh, I don't want to wear the heels, but let me just throw on some flip-flops, you don't. Style a pair of over-the-knee flat boots with your skirts, with your dresses. If you do it right, with a pair of shorts, and you'll be good to go. All right, let's talk about something that is in everybody's closet, which is the easiest thing that you can reach for. Just a pair of basic denim jeans, okay? I love jeans. I feel like you can dress them up, you can dress them down. I love a good pair of jeans that like you're comfortable in, they fit well, but sometimes they can look a little too casual. This bodysuit It's from Zara. It's just a basic turtleneck black bodysuit from Zara. I paired it with some jeans and a crossbody bag. And so I think the way to elevate your denim is to add accessories. You can have just like your basic top, but it was, to me, in this look, the crossbody bag that did it for me. This is the bag that I'm wearing in the picture. So I took the strap off and I wear it as a clutch, but it's the Marc Jacobs camera bag. But again, I took the basic black bodysuit with denim jeans and put the crossbody bag, and it completely changed the look. I love this one because it has different colors. Again, I got this a few years ago, but I love it. Like, I'll never let it go because it's so handy. It's a perfect size and it just switches up your outfit. So I think crossbody bags are a good way to switch it from being super casual to, I don't know, an elevated sense of whatever casual means to you, right? So like casual chic, maybe. It just completely changed the look. So I'm saying that to say that you have what you need in your closet. If you don't have a crossbody bag, there's so many on the market, but I just feel like you can just grab what you have in your closet, throw that on, and you're good for any date night. And you'll see in the picture that I styled the denim look with a pair of pink pumps, just because I pulled the pink from this bag. So then again, it gives you a chance to, I don't know, use the accessories that you have to elevate the look and to also wear your jeans. Spring is coming. Let's talk color, okay? Still piggybacking off of what I said with your denim jeans. If you can add a pop of color somewhere, it completely just changes the look, right? So you're getting ready to go to the movies or dinner and it's like, okay, I have these jeans. What else can I wear to kind of make that outfit pop? This beautiful pink bodysuit is from Express and I rocked it all last summer because the color is just like, it's beautiful. It's just that pop of pink. And if you are someone who just can't wear just that monochromatic look I was talking about, where it's like the shirt matches the pants, if you can't do that with bright colors, trying to just add pops of color here and there in your outfit really make a difference. So again, you reach for something like your faux leather skirt and you're thinking, okay, how can I make this pop? Pink, orange, green, purple, whatever you have that will just give it that extra just pop of color, pair that with it, and I promise you it'll make a big difference. And it'll make it easy for you just to throw something on and go while still looking very, very cute. Okay, let's step it up a notch, right? So maybe it's not just this casual movie night and it's just like a really nice dinner and you need something a little dressier. If you know me, you know I love a good fit and flare dress. I will add a belt to my dresses, or I love it where it's kind of pulls in here and then it flares out. I think fit and flare dresses are so easy. They're so versatile. You can style them with different pairs of shoes. You can even add a belt if you need to. But if you need a dress, right, and it's like, oh, can I wear it with boots? Yes. Can I wear it with pumps? Yes. Can I wear it with wedges? Yes. So I styled this pink dress from Staud with my Castanier white wedges, and I love this look. Okay, I love this look. It's a pink dress. I styled it with, like I said, the shoes are white, kind of like a chalk color, and my Coach bag, and it just brought it together. So I think fit and flare dresses look good on all body types, and that's why I like them so much, because it gives you a waist. Okay, so even if you're like, oh, I don't have a waist, and look, no, a fit and flare dress will pull you in right here and come out, and it just makes you look so good. So if you're trying to figure out what you can wear to a nice dinner, or you're doing like a lunch date, don't hesitate to look into like fit and flare dresses. This one from Staud is sold out. I think they only have it in black, but I'll link it down below for you if you are interested. Next, we're going to talk about the easiest piece that you could reach for when you are trying to throw your outfit together: the white shirts. This is my favorite white shirt at the moment. Okay, it's from Express. I love it because of the back. It has this tie right here, so it's open in the back and then it ties at the bottom of the shirt. But let me tell you, it's just so easy to style this with pants. You can style this with, I've styled this with my faux leather shorts. It's easy to style this because nothing looks better to me than a white shirt and a nice pair of denim jeans. Nothing in this world, okay? You can find it out in the comments, I don't know, but I love that look. And all you have to do again is accessorize. So I styled this look with this white shirt, my favorite pair of black denim pants from H&M, and this silver pair of Christian Louboutin pumps, right? Definitely a statement shoe. It's a silver shoe, but it completely brought this outfit together. Okay, so if silver is not your thing and you want to add like a color, a pop of color, you can do that, especially when you do white shirt with like blue denim. That is the easiest look that you can do. If you want to throw on a blazer with it, so easy easy peasy. This again can be like a casual chic look because the white shirt just pulls it together. It just looks so clean and put together when you have on a white shirt and denim to me. And so add your clutch, add your shoes, and you're good to go. Okay, when in doubt, I always reach for faux leather. Okay, faux leather chics up an outfit. I don't care if you're doing like a faux leather top, faux leather pants, shorts, skirt. I have a skirt here, my favorite pair of faux leather shorts here. It just chics up the outfit. So let's say you are going somewhere where it's like, okay, I don't want to be super cash. I don't want to wear the tennis shoes and the jeans. I want to wear something a little extra. Reach for faux leather. Okay, I see people wearing it out. I always reach for it, and it's just something about it. It just adds a little something to the outfit, and it's easy, especially if you have black faux leather, because you can put any top with it. You can add your blazer, you can wear your sweater. The versatility of faux leather is unmatched. Okay, trust me on this. So whether, like I said, you're doing your dinner, you're going dancing, you want to be comfortable, faux leather is always a great option. I think that this one is from H&M, and I know it's sold out, so I'll link a similar option for you. And I think these shorts are still available at Express, but if so, you know, I'll link it for you. Next, I'm going to talk about an option again for dinner, or if you're going dancing or drinks and you want like a sexier look. I love cutout tops and cutout dresses, but as I've said it before, it just depends on where the cuts are, because sometimes it's just too risque. But this one is from Express, and I think it just completely gives you just the sexy date night look. The dress is so well made. I will check to see if they still have it in stock. It's one of my favorite dresses, but it's not a basic dress, right? There's something about seeing a strap somewhere or like a cutout somewhere and you're like, okay, yeah, that's cute. Okay, I paired it with shoes that were the same color, but it's easy to reach for because the dress speaks for itself, right? So I want to call it more of like a statement dress. In my opinion, this would be my statement dress. So if you have a dress that has like cutouts or patterns or something like that, reach for that because it's all you'll need. You don't really have to worry about your accessories too much. The dress speaks for itself. I think it's very classy to do the cutout this way because if I can be honest, I've seen dresses and I'm like, that's a cute dress, but would I feel comfortable at dinner in that dress? Or would I like be fidgeting trying to cover up certain things? But I did want something, a dress that was just different, not the typical just sweater dress. I wanted something different. So this is a great option. Again, I'll check and see if it's in stock, but if you have a cutout dress in your closet, definitely reach for it. It's one of my favorite styles and I think it adds a certain level of sexiness to the look. Next, we're going to talk about something that is just everywhere, the long denim skirt. This is another piece where the versatility is unmatched. Okay, you can style this with a basic white tee, with a sweater. It has a split, so you're like your boots, your heels. This has to be one of my favorite pieces and they're everywhere. The maxi denim skirt, the midi denim skirt, the mini is still in. Get a denim skirt. Okay, it's just that easy piece where you can just reach for it. It looks so good on because of just the length. It's just perfect. That's all I can say about this. It's just perfect. If you don't have one, I'll link some options down below for you, but it's perfect. This one is from H&M and I haven't let go of it because I style it so many different ways, and when I'm going places it's like, what can I wear to where I can look cute but casual? I want to look casual chic, I want to look relaxed. I reach for a denim skirt. Okay, it's just something that you absolutely need in your closet and it will make your life 100 times easier when trying to pick out your outfits. Okay, beautiful people, those are my recommendations for ways to make picking out a date night outfit so much easier. I hope you got something from this video or you saw something that you like. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I upload twice a week. With all that being said, I will see you in the next one. Mwah.